It is fucking steep. Is he right? Hey! I've got a record of that. The sun came out, bro. Are you alright, man? Is it? Yeah, it just sounds noisy.
Yeah, it looks
Way out. And what's this locality called, Dad? Knockwood. Knockwood is full on deer hunting territory. Hey, mate. What are you doing there? Oh, you got some ropes. Oh, that's interesting. That's pretty random too to have some ropes out here. Well, what happens is there's 2 bikes here and there's 3 blokes. 1, 2, 3. And Greg's bike is up in the bush over there. It's been there for the last 3 hours. His bike leaked all the oil out way up there, and we had to push it a fair way and roll the bike down the hill. So we got down to here, where we figured out there's a main road and we could get the car. So what we need to do is this man is going to get wet and he's going to go get his bike, and then we're going to throw him over some rope. He's going to attach to his bike, and then we're going to tow him and his bike back over. So yeah, it's going to be fun. So wish us luck. Here goes the operation. Well, Greg is semi-naked here.
yeah, we'll give it a go. Yeah. You're right on your feet, are you? See, I'm going up to the right here, the rope, I'll try to give you a pull.
That rope's alright, Dad. Just grab the bike.
Yeah, exactly.
And there's the handover. Bike across safely.